Off-Grid Gary. Today, we got a special delivery in the mail. We got a new battery from BigBattery.com. And before I forget, anybody who's interested in any of the Big Battery products, you can go online at BigBattery.com. I do have a URL code, and I can give you a 10% off discount code if you want to buy a battery. This particular battery, we're doing an open box. This is going for an older bad boy buggy. It's dual engined. This is a lithium ion battery kit that's supposed to carry that cart a very, very long ways. This thing is like 9.5 kilowatts for power. So we're fixing to do open this box up and see what these batteries look like. They definitely wrap this thing very good. And you'll be seeing here in probably another month, you'll be seeing another Big Battery video that we'll be doing on a big solar job as well. So we've got a lot of things kind of going on for the first part of the year that's taking place. And we're looking at doing a couple lithium builds on top of what we're already doing. And we wanted to be able to do an open box and show you how these things are packaged when you get them. And you can see this thing has been packaged. Yep. This is supposed to be, I believe, an Eagle kit, by the way, but it's using an Eagle battery, if I'm understanding it correctly. And I think this is going to be 6 of them. I could be wrong, but this, I believe, is supposed to be the first of its kind for this particular vehicle. These things aren't heavy, so.
I think these batteries.
Maybe we got, but this thing's supposed to be with battery charger, wiring.
Charger.
No, this is a baby battery. Here's one battery. Boy, look how nice that is. See, let's turn it on. 53.2 volts. Wow, that thing is light. That thing don't weigh nothing. Let's go get another one out here. Set this aside. Don't lose any of the packaging. That's not a battery. Open that box up. Let's see what's in it. Don't get anything out of it. Yep.
Head down. Back up, Nate.
These things only feel like they're about 20 pounds, 25 pounds a piece. I think they only are about 25 to 28 pounds.
52.7?
Yep, 52.7. Man, I tell you, these things are really nice. course, I've never gotten anything bad from them, so that's always a plus. Okay, let's see what this is. Wow. Look at this. Can you shine light in this box? My daughter's running the camera, but we have bus bars, and we have a pile of Anderson cords. And let's see what some of this is. Here's our battery meter that's going to go onto the dash, I'm assuming.
Rocky,
It's a nice kit.
go put it over that way. Sorry, quit tripping.
And here's our battery charger. I'm going to tell you y'all something. We live off the grid. Anybody who knows me will tell you they know we live off grid. We switched to a 10K lithium battery about 6 months ago, and it was pretty much like going back on the grid from lead acid. I have been really, really pleased. We have put different battery combinations on golf carts. They have performed outstanding. I mean, pulling the front wheels off the ground, outstanding power. So I really do like these batteries. This is the first time I've had this style of battery, and we do have 6 of these in this kit. But yeah, this thing's going to be quite the beast when it's put together. We will be doing a video while we're building this car, and we're also going to do a video when this car is done. So, but we're going to go through and finish opening the boxes up and just see what's here. It might be kind of a boring video from here on out, but we want to make sure everything is here, and we want to make sure, I know everything's here, but we want to make sure everything's undamaged, which I know it is. But while we have this video going, if there's anything wrong, it'll be on video. And if there is, you'll be able to see it yourself. But I have great confidence in Big Battery for shipping us something that's going to work. Like I say, I've never gotten any damaged products from them. Everything I've gotten from them has performed rock solid. So, very pleased with what we've been doing with Big Battery. So. And then you can flip them on and see the voltage.
52.2. Dang. There.
Neat battery box. Right.
47.3.
This is a 16S pack. This is a 48 volt Husky battery. So these are Big Batteries Huskies.
$52.
53.2. You sure?
Give me that box of supplies there, son.
53.2.
Hey, you just turn them all on. We're just going to do a quick rundown. For the most part, all our batteries are all charged. They're fluctuated off a little bit. Before we install these things, we're going to charge each one of them, and then we're going to hook them together and let them balance when we put them on the car. And yeah, these are these are really a neat battery. This will be my first time using these, but they're still, you know, anytime you're messing with lithium, you're going to find out they're a lot of fun, especially when you get the performance of them. And like I say, you've seen my wiring kits. Everything here was one kit, and this is from my understanding, this is the first kit ever made for this particular this battery kit is the first kit made for this bad boy buggy. So like I say, it's got solar power on it already. It has a 3,000 watt pure sine wave inverter on it already. So all this is going to do is make this car a very unique package, because with the kilowatts of these, I want to say all these together is like 9.6 kilowatts, I want to say. Don't hold me to that, but like I say, big battery. If you're going to buy a lithium battery, big battery, from what I'm seeing, is way cheaper than everybody else. And if you want a discount code and you want to buy this kit, I'll help you any way I can